lawyers, should lawyers become vloggers in 2023?
There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you: coaching and self-study courses.
Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing director, website developer, video production specialist. Some lawyers wouldn't become a vlogger if their life depended on it, and others might be outgoing enough to get on camera and really show their personalities in a way that helps them meet new clients and even win cases. Whether or not you're a lawyer who wants to become a vlogger in 2023 or at any other time, it depends on a bunch of factors, including your personality, your interests, goals, resources. There's a few things lawyers might want to consider when deciding whether to become a vlogger.
But first, a quick introduction.
I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals.
And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment.
So let's jump into this subject. There's a few things lawyers might want to consider when deciding whether to become a vlogger. Audience. Who is the intended audience for the vlog and how will they be reached? Lawyers who are targeting a specific audience, like car accident victims or other lawyer referrals, may find that a vlog could be really effective to reach and engage that audience. Goals. What are the goals of the vlog? Is the goal to educate, entertain, or both? Lawyers who are interested in sharing their knowledge and expertise with a wider audience may find that the vlog is a great way to meet new clients or inspire upcoming lawyers. Resources. Do you have the time and resources to commit to creating and maintaining a vlog? Vlogging can be a time-consuming task, especially if you want to produce high-quality content on a regular basis. Lawyers who are already stretched thin with their work and other responsibilities may find it challenging to add vlogging to their list of tasks. Ultimately, the decision to become a vlogger is a personal one, and it's important for lawyers to consider their own goals and resources before making a commitment. If you do decide to start a vlog, it's also important to be mindful of the ethical considerations such as maintaining confidentiality, avoiding any conflicts of interest, and of course, following your Bar Association rules for marketing and advertising. I hope this information has been helpful and inspiring to you and your law firm. Keep engaged with us. Send me an email. My name's Mary at GoMediaMarketing.com. Here's to your success.
Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much. Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow.